Medicare Basics 2025 edition. And this is one of the most significant changes to Medicare since Part D was introduced in 2006. This is more about who I am. I'm licensed independent insurance broker since 2012, assisting individuals in business with informed insurance choices. I'm the broker, manager, and trainer for over 200 independent brokers at custom benefit plans. Collaborate daily with insurance carrier executives to enhance their product lines. Part A is a premium free for most taxpayers if you've paid Medicare taxes for less than 30 quarters. The standard Part A premium for 2025 is $518. If you paid Medicare taxes for 30 to 39 quarters, the standard Part A premium is $285. So someone who hasn't worked enough, paid taxes into the system enough, it's $518. Medicare Part B has a monthly premium everyone must pay, so it's increasing to $185. It's Part B deductible is going up to $257. That's a pretty big increase. It's about $240 now, so it's going up. Here is the IRMA charts. This is what held up the presentation. So these amounts here have gone up. Thresholds have increased slightly. Part D also gets increased based on your income. 60 in addition to whatever plan you're buying, that's an Advantage plan or a Part D plan. Anything that has drug coverage, this would apply. So here is the IRMA if you're married, filing single. This is for Part D. So Part D prescription drug plans must be purchased in addition to A and B, offered by private Medicare approved insurance plans, private insurance. The national base beneficiary premium is $36.78. There's been a lot of controversy about this over the summer. There are three coverage levels now because now we have a 2,000 cap. That's the biggest news. And you have 5 tiers of medications, typically now, actually 6 because of diabetic meds. Your tier 1 and your two are your different types of generics. They are usually not subject to your deductible, means you pay the low copay from day one. Tier 3, 4, and 5 would be more subject to that deductible and co-insurance. Up to $2,000 max. That's the most you can spend on covered meds. So why am I emphasizing covered meds? Companies started dropping certain meds off the formulary. So if the formulary does not cover the medicine, that does not help you, does not go towards the 2000. Changes for 2025. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 includes several provisions that lowered Medicare Part D costs. Right? Principal owner doformeinsurance.com/Medicare. There's our website for Medicare, right? With the quotes here for supplements. It's pretty much everything that I represent. And then we got quote for Advantage or Part D. If you work with me, I've been sending you quotes from, but this here you can actually quote and enroll. My systems, this is a private system that. And here's our AI tool. It's going to bring this page up. What can I cannot? Really making an effort to really put different stuff here, like is dental and vision included in it, a bunch of resources of dental and vision add-ons. If I can be of any help or anybody you know, I'm more than happy to do that.